Are you in the market for a press brake but not sure which one is right for your needs? Today, we're breaking down how to choose the perfect Cincinnati Incorporated press brake to maximize efficiency, precision, and productivity. Let's dive in. Before selecting a press brake, you need to define your requirements. Start by asking yourself these key questions. What materials will you be bending? Mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, each requires different tooling. What are your desired bending angles and tolerances? Precision matters. What's your expected production volume? Higher volumes may require faster, automated solutions. Once you've outlined your needs, it's time to evaluate key press brake features to ensure you're getting the right fit. Tonnage capacity. You need enough force to bend your materials accurately and efficiently. Throat depth ensures you have enough space for larger workpieces. Bending length. Your press brake should be long enough to accommodate your material sizes. Now, let's explore the different types of press brakes Cincinnati Incorporated offers. If you want an energy-efficient, compact, and mobile press brake, the GoForm electric press brake is right for you. If you need a press brake with a wide range of tonnages and customizable features, then let's explore Cincinnati's best-selling press brake, the X-Form series. This CNC press brake is engineered for high-speed precision and repeatability, making complex bends easier than ever. If you have larger projects, explore Cincinnati's large tonnage press brakes available in tonnages that range from 400 to 2,000 tons. Want to boost efficiency even further? Consider press brake automation like the Easy Bend system or sheet followers to reduce manual labor and improve consistency. And if you want to take the guesswork out of your bending operations, check out BendSim Pro. This powerful software allows you to simulate and optimize your bending sequences before even touching the machine, saving time, reducing scrap, and ensuring perfect bends every time. Choosing the right press brake is crucial to your operation's success. Research reputable manufacturers like Cincinnati Incorporated, reach out to experts for personalized advice, and most importantly, schedule a demonstration to see these machines in action.